The last time I spent time in a natural setting was about 2 months ago, when I visited a national park located a few hours away from the city. I went to a place called Valle del Silencio, which, as the name suggests, is one of the most peaceful and breathtaking places I've ever been to. I traveled there by car with a couple of friends. They drive us in around 3.5 hours, but honestly, it felt much shorter because the road was surrounded by hill trees and small rivers. It was already an scenic experience before we even got there. Compared to my usual environment, noisy street, traffic jams, and constant screen time, this place was like a stepping into another world. The air was incredibly fresh, the kind that instantly clears your head. The silence was almost complete, only broken by the sound of birds on the wind moving gently through the trees. The contrast couldn't be having me more striking. It was far more relaxing and infinitely quieter than the city. Even the colors around me felt more vibrant. The green of the trees, the deep of the blue sky, and the golden light in the sunset. Everything seemed more alive. We hiked along a narrow trail that led to a hidden waterfall. It wasn't the tallest I've seen, but it was by far the most impressively and beautiful one. The water was absolutely freezing, but after a long walk dipping my feet into a felt and extremely refreshing water, I also remember how clean and everything felt. Not just by physically, but mentally too. There were no distractions, no emails, no deadlines, no notification, just the sound of the nature. And my thoughts, it was immensely peaceful. While I was there, I felt calm, grateful, and present. Something I rarely experience in my everyday life. I could breathe deeply, think clear, and just be. I would even say I felt profoundly connected to something bigger than myself. After we left, I felt more energized, more grounded, and surprisingly motivated. That trip reminded me how vitally important it is to disconnect every now and then and immerse ourselves in nature. Honestly, it was one of the most deeply rewarding experiences I have in recent years, and I'm already planning to go back as soon as I can.